everyone, it's Tammy and it is Tuesday after work and I am ready to head home. I got in this morning at 5 o'clock. I got really early. I'm not exactly sure what made me get up so early, but I was, and so I just went on in. And it was very productive though. Sometimes I really like coming in really early. I don't know if any of you guys have jobs like that you can get a lot done when there's nobody in the office. But it's kind of nice. And it has just been a busy last couple of weeks. And tomorrow is, looks like, according to my calendar, it's not going to be as busy. And I think Thursday, there's a few things going on. And then Friday, I have a meeting in the morning and a meeting then mid-afternoon. And then I'm going to go to lunch with one of my friends. And then I think I'm going to call it a day after that. So that'll be kind of nice. And I am working on getting stuff for Alex's dorm room, and I'll probably do a video on all of that. And then his graduation party, I'm getting that all planned out. I ordered the invitations. They should arrive at the house soon. I was going to use Etsy, but I ended up using Shutterfly because I had a coupon for 50% off or 40% off, I'm not sure which, and it included the invitations, so that was a really good deal. So, I mean, it was still expensive. I think I ended up spending 50 cents or $1. I think it was $1 each, because I think they were $2 and I got them for $1 each. So that is still expensive, but it was less than what I was going to spend on Etsy. They may have ended up being a little nicer on Etsy, I don't know, but these still looked like they would be very nice. So that was good. I like to support Etsy when I can, but when I can get something for that much less, I mean, it was at least $50 less. So that's why I did that. So, that's good. I still need to call and go to that, to the place that we're having it, because I haven't seen the clubhouse, and get a feel for the tables and all of that, but all in due time, I suppose. I might do that tomorrow. I need to go to Target. And I need to print some coupons tonight for Target, and maybe I'll do that and then go to Target tomorrow, and it's on the way to Target, so I can check that out and check out the clubhouse and see what it looks like and see how all of it will fit together for the grand scheme, the grand master plan. And that's like the biggest deal that's going on right now. And the weather, it's 55 degrees right now, but it's raining, so it's kind of a crummy day. I'm ready to have some coffee and sit down, and I'm yawning. I do want to do some crafting tonight, but I don't know if I'm going to get to. I know I need to make dinner, and I think we're going to have some sirloin steak that I'd gotten at Trader Joe's. I think we're going to have that with some cauliflower from Trader Joe's. And then I think I may do some crafting, and I may knit. I've been knitting again, and I'm really liking this one particular yarn that I'm using. It's really pretty, and it's making a really pretty stitch. So, and I'm just doing a knit, you know, like a row of knit and then back a row of knit, and it's just making it so easy to do because it's just knitting. I don't even have to purl back. I can just knit and then turn it and knit and turn it and knit and turn it, and it works out great. I haven't done just plain knitting for a while. I finished a scarf over the weekend, I think it was, that I did a fun pattern, and it's really cool, but it's nice to just go back to the basics sometimes. Sorry about the yawns. happens every time. I did some menu planning, and that's going to post soon. I wanted to show you guys. I know some of you had asked how I do that, so I have that posting. I think it's posting on Friday, so you can see my menu plan for all of May. And I need to get my groceries ordered, and I know I have my to-do list and I haven't gotten a lot done. I still need to work on the dining room and get that, get all of Dennis's stuff out of there. It's just been bad since it's been raining. He hasn't been able to do some of what he wants, but he is building some shelves in the garage, so some of the stuff that he has will go out there. I still have a dog crate too that I need to have him take down and put somewhere, because we don't crate Taz anymore. And then I need to do a little bit of sewing, and I'd like to maybe get some of that done this weekend. I'm not sure exactly. I don't really have any big plans coming up. I know that graduation is in like 6 weeks, so gosh, it might be 5 weeks now, a little more than 5 weeks. That's crazy. And that's my biggest, that's what I've been working on the most. I need to make a few things for that, and maybe I'll do some videos on DIY crafting for graduation or something, and show you guys some of the things that I'm doing. I know I did some with Katie, but I don't know if I posted them or not. I'll have to go back and look, see what I made for her anyway. And his dad ordered, or is ordering Qdoba, I know that, for the party. And if that were up to me, I would probably just get some of the things from Qdoba and not necessarily cater it, but because it seems like their catering is kind of expensive. And frankly, I mean, it's not, they have good stuff, don't get me wrong, but it's kind of pricey. But I don't know, I'm not doing that part. I did that part with Katie, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'll let him worry about it. I am doing decorations and stuff just because I know that if I don't, they won't get done, and I'd rather Alex have, the decorations and stuff that I think he needs. It's a graduation party, and he's a guy. It's not that big of a deal, but it is still, because you need to prepare and plan and just have it nice, and I'm excited for him. And we're going to do brownies and cookie cake he wanted, so I'd almost rather not do a cookie cake and just do like cookies, like even iced cookies or something. I might see if I can talk him into that. I don't think he'd care if I did that, just because it's easier to have individual servings rather than have to worry about cutting something, and I wouldn't know how many cookie cakes to get. I do know that Sam's Club has amazing cookie cakes, which is what Alex is thinking. They're like double layered cookies, where it has like the chocolate chip cookie and then icing and then another chocolate chip cookie. But if we can do smaller single of those, I think that would be just fine. Maybe put like a graduation cap or something on them. I might even see if Sam's will do that just for me, like just to order some. That's what I will do. I told his dad, Leo is his name, my ex, I told him that I would do the desserts, and I have these little picks that I can stick in some of them, which I think is really cute, so yay. I didn't know that was on my mind so much, but apparently it is. I've been talking about it almost the whole ride home. So I am going to check and double check on what we have and try to order everything that we need, or gather everything that we need this weekend. That way I can just concentrate then on just making the things that I need to make and having those done. I need to get out my Cricut or my Silhouette, whichever one I decide to use, and work on those. I should probably see what kind of decorations Cricut has on their website for the Cricut, like SVGs files and stuff that I can use. Hadn't even thought of that, so I need to do that. The yawns, I'm so sorry. So I'm kind of excited about that now. Yay, that'll be fun. I have everything all ready and planned, that always just makes me feel good. And for whatever reason, Alex is a little easier than Katie for this particular, I mean, he just doesn't seem to have much. He is just saying, Mom, do whatever you want, you know, like he doesn't really care. And I want to get some ring pops, so it could be like his class ring. And then I want to get some Smarties and do the Smartie thing. I know that I did that with Katie too. Like, you're a Smartie, or I don't remember what I put, something like that. So just the little things, but it does, I think people appreciate it. And then we need to work on pop and water, and I know we'll get just cases of water from Sam's Club. And I think I'm just gonna let Leo get the pop, because I got all the cups and napkins and plates. I found a lot of that at the Dollar Tree. I did a haul on that, so if you guys are interested, or if you guys need graduation stuff, check it out, because they really had good deals. I did end up getting like the red Solo cups from Amazon, or I think it was Amazon, or maybe I did it from Kroger, just wherever they had a really good deal on them. And I thought, ooh, I'm just gonna get these, because I know sometimes the cups and I know sometimes the plates at Dollar Tree aren't that strong, and you end up making a mess. So I'm kind of even thinking that I might get some plates to go under the decorative plates. It's a waste though, but I don't know. I guess I should see how thin these plates are from the Dollar Tree, see what they would hold and how I feel about them. I mean, napkins and stuff are fine, but the cups seem very flimsy to me, so I didn't use the cups, and the plates seem kind of flimsy too, frankly, but we'll see. And then I have these other cups that I need to put something in, and I thought I would just put them on the tables, and maybe with some confetti or something, and maybe I'll put some nuts or something in them like that. And then the next graduation party will be from college, and I don't even know if you have graduation parties from college. When I graduated from college, we didn't have a party. We had a family party, and I know that, like, you know, my family celebrated, and I remember my mom bought a special cake for me, and it was cute. But I don't know if that's something. I don't know. You guys tell me. Did you guys have graduation parties for your kids from college? I'm not really sure. I was the first to graduate from college, and I think that, I don't know that a lot of people from our families would come, because I don't know that they even, I don't know. I'm not finding the word, so I'm not going to say anything, but, and I'm almost home. Yay. It'll be nice to have, I'll have about 45 minutes to myself before anybody comes home. So that'll be kind of nice, just to relax and collect my thoughts. And I'm going to get a cup of coffee, and I'm going to get some protein crackery things, and it will be good. Oh, it looks like I have some cases of protein that came. So that's kind of good too. So I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.